That humidity, again, very thick out there.
Sits on you.
Yeah. And it gave way to some storms. I mean, it got so thick that the clouds actually billowed up. Let's take a look at Viper HD. The storms that remain are now in the far southeastern corner of the state, mostly on the west side of the river. There's been some development in the extreme northwestern portions of Missouri. If we zoom in, these are located to the northwest of Falls City, over near Humboldt. They're dropping toward the southeast. Not much in terms of hail associated with these, maybe a little bit in the one cell located to the north of Rulo. The hail track has a little bit of consistency here with that particular storm, but again, that one's dropping toward the southeast and will likely exit our coverage area here over probably the next half hour or so. If you're heading out to the CWS game, temperatures will be actually not too bad, 83 degrees. Out at TD Ameritrade, we're looking at the game between Arizona and Coastal Carolina with an east to northeast wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Slim chances for rain. Looks like the best bet for showers and storms has gone off to the south. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, there's a chance of some thunder both Wednesday and Thursday, but as of right now, not enough to elevate threat tracker. You can see what impact the showers are having on temperatures. Down to the south, 75 in Nebraska City and Falls City, 77 in Clarinda. Everyone else in the 80s, although Lincoln is sitting at 91 degrees, and not too far away in Beatrice. The current temperature there stands at 92. 84 degrees out at Epley. They have a southeast wind currently at 11 miles an hour. Now, what about the pattern as we head through the rest of the week? Fair weather is anchored over the western U.S. It is producing very hot conditions over the desert southwest and parts of California as we kind of progress through at least the middle and latter part of this week. You can almost tell off the shading in the colors that we're in store for what amounts to some unseasonably cool conditions, a few degrees below normal. The heat does stay to our west and south. Milder temperatures here as we progress toward the big holiday weekend. Highs between 80 and 85, lows generally between about 60 and 65. Across the area now, one cluster of storms heading to the southeast. These are moving southeast and weakening. Others have been located in areas out to the west in western Nebraska and western Kansas. The forecast as we kind of progress through the remainder of the overnight, temperatures will likely settle back into the 60s later on tonight. There's still a hint of some showers developing from York and Lincoln back down toward the south. As we move through the morning hours tomorrow, we should be in the upper 70s by lunchtime, and in the afternoon, expect highs to top out in the mid-80s. For tonight, generally, just a few clouds around, storms pushing to the south, 65 degrees, partly cloudy tomorrow with a high of 84. Actually, a very nice day. Over the next 3 days, as we point toward big 4th of July weekend, chance of thunder showers, about a 40% chance. Wednesday and Thursday, but look at the temps, pretty comfortable, even into Friday and Saturday for that matter. And as we head toward the 4th of July for those cookouts, it is going to be getting hot again. There's at least a chance for a storm. We'll keep you updated on that with a reading of 93. And with that possibility of storms, as we head toward the holiday, great time to download our severe weather app. If you have a smartphone, go to KMTV.com/Storm Shield. It runs about $3 a month, and it will follow you wherever you go. So if you decide to go maybe to a state campground, do some hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill, have it along with you just in case that weather turns. You're going to get warnings for your area. It's a great app to have on your phone.
I do think a lot of people are going to like the 80s instead of
the
90s.
Yeah, it'll feel much better as we get through the rest of the week.
Do things at that barbecue instead of hiding under the shade.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, thanks, Jim.